All right. Remember the good old days when you could haggle for a deal at the local market? Well, we're bringing that spirit back with a Make an Offer weekend. Step into a time when bargaining was an art and finding the perfect home was a thrilling adventure. For 3 days only, March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, homes across the city are not just opening their doors, they're practically throwing them off the hinges. And these aren't just any homes. These are homes that have generously rolled back their prices by at least 5%. You heard it, 5%. Say it again, 5%. Yes, folks. So come on down and bring your family, bring your friends, and experience the thrill of making an offer on your dream home. Let's make some memories together. Remember, it's only happening March 1st through the 3rd. So mark your calendars and get ready to step into some serious savings. After all, home isn't just where the heart is, it's where the deal is.